Welcome to my Audio Tips and Tricks YouTube channel. As a longtime audio enthusiast, I've learned a few tricks that have helped me improve the performance of my audio system and enhance my listening experience. I hope some of the tips and tricks in this video will help you do the same. What is EMF RF? Electromagnetic fields are found in phono cartridges, turntable motors, CD players, loudspeakers, and power supplies. RF, or radio frequencies, are used in AM/FM receivers, internet modems, cell phones, Wi-Fi devices such as computers and music streamers, and Bluetooth-equipped devices. This diagram gives you an idea of where radio frequencies reside on the electromagnetic spectrum. The radiation levels of radio frequencies are quite low. Airborne electromagnetic fields and radio frequencies can be picked up by any length of wire acting as an antenna and interfere with the electrical signals carried by these wires. That's why most interconnect cables that carry musical signals between audio components are shielded. Cables that deliver electrical power to audio equipment are generally not shielded. This is an AudioQuest NRGX cable, and you'll notice there are 3 wires, 16 gauge, but there is no shielding. This particular piece was bought from Amazon. There are many different makes and brands. Its claim to fame is that it provides protection against electromagnetic fields, radio frequencies, and RFID. It's made of a blend of nickel, copper, into a fabric, and its shielding effectiveness is claimed to range from 10 kilohertz to 30 gigahertz. I can certainly test to see what its conductivity is. Because it is metallic, it should have a conductivity of close to 0 resistance. This is a portable FM radio from maybe 25 years ago. I'm going to turn it on and put it in this shoebox and then cover it with the Faraday Fabric to see if it actually blocks radio frequencies. I'm going to call my cell phone using my home phone and see if it rings, and then I'm going to cover the shoebox with the Faraday Fabric. Now I'm going to cover it with the Faraday Fabric. Including underneath. That. Give it a call again. And it does seem to block the cellular radio frequencies, and it's not ringing. So I've a Bluetooth connection between my music player on the phone and this Bose Bluetooth speaker. Now let's see if it works if I cover it with this Faraday Fabric. there might be some filtering. You can measure the magnetic field that's emanating from this speaker driver. And to do that, I'm going to use my EMF app on my smartphone, and that's what it looks like. But as I move it closer to the magnet, you can see that the level starts increasing. It's about 385 to 400 microteslas, and I'm at a couple of inches above the speaker driver. Really, I'm going to use a board so there's a bit of spacing. It's about 172. So approximately a 50% reduction. I can also measure the electromagnetic field once I power on these speakers with an amplifier. .76. .73. This time I'll just cover it without about 80, about 74, 75. Let's try it with a bit of separation using this board. Yeah, 68. .64. So there is a reduction in the electromagnetic field that's detected, but it's not a 100% blockage. Faraday Fabric seems effective in blocking radio frequencies. It seems to reduce the level of EMF, but does not block them entirely. I hope some of these ideas will inspire you to experiment with this material. Happy listening.